guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be playing with my friend again. And there's spiders. There's spiders right there, I can see them.
There's a spider. I can't see it.
Do we get night vision?
No, it's fine.
What? I can't see a thing.
I can't hear it, but
Wait, I'm going to put my brightness all up. Now I can see. See much more better. I'm going to start this cannon.
Are you ready?
Yep.
3, 2,
I already started.
1, go.
Hey, you just broke my whole cannon.
Wait, how? Oh, wait, no, wait, it's fine. I just have to put the redstone back.
Get them all! Destroy him! It's destroying me instead.
I think I missed the cannon for a while.
I destroyed it! Really, AB? Do we really have to do this? Mine is already ruined, so I can't even do anything.
There's 2 of them.
Yeah, the other one's broken too.
Oh, there's one on top.
There's one on top? It got broken. What, with TNT? Ah, good. This will be a battle. Long. Oops, I stopped the water. Oops. Guess this cannon doesn't work anymore. Oh no, he's gonna destroy me.
Oh, wait, my cannon messed up too. That's why I'm getting some buttons.
Button?
Never mind. Button?
Button? What are you, Button? Destroy my lost cannon. Oops. Destroy them all.
Jonathan?
Yeah.
My friend. Bye.
Why did you get this map?
I don't know. Go! Is it working for you?
No. Everything's being
Are you on here?
destroyed. I can't even get in the main room.
Hello?
I'm stuck.
Hello, my friend.
Yours got destroyed too, didn't it?
Yeah.
Get out of here! Yo, no. Arr.
No!
What are you doing in my lair? No! You're trying to kill me! You punk!
Exactly.
You will pay! You will pay! Ow! close the door.
You win.
Yeah, I win. You failed. I win. I won.
That's all I'm not the map. Okay, that's all. Literally, that's the end of the game.
I win.
Yeah. You're supposed to kill the player.
I win. You killed your own self, so.
I should have done something when it didn't work.
Button?
Oh.
Button?
Button?
Button? I'm going in your ship, and I'm gonna destroy your own ship. Wow,
I'm
that's
gonna destroy yours.
insane.
I met yours already.
Don't worry, AB. It's gonna be okay. Don't worry,
Oh,
I'll destroy my...
it's gonna be. Oh, okay.
Oh, dang it.
I
got more TNT!
Okay.
Destroy this place. Button. Destroy it. I gotta get out!
What did you do to my ship? Jeez. Look at all the yours?
No, AB, wait. We could share that ship together.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too. I win.
No, I win.
No?
I win.
Okay, guys, as you guys can see that I won first because he died first. And
Shut
I
up.
win, so, haha, AB.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys did enjoy it, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you all, guys. Bye.
Hey, isn't that my line? You
I don't
poser!
care.
You poser! I'm still going on with this video, AB. You poser. You posed.
I'm a poser.
Noob.
Why not like the egg?
And if you guys can see, like it with the ship, because AB doesn't know how to like it that much.
Shut up.
So goodbye. Goodbye.